As usual, I forget to turn the camera on, so I'm making some El Verde sauce. So I got a half pound of tomatillas, white onion, 2 jalapenos, and some garlic cloves. And so I'll roast them, and then I'll prepare them to go into a juicer, and we'll juice them up, and add cilantro, lime, and salt, and a few other little things I'll show you. And that'll be green sauce. So now I got everything roasted. The tomatillas, the onions, the jalapenos, and the garlic.
See the pig? Look. See that pig?
Alright, and then a head of cilantro. Half of it. And save half of it for just a minute. Yeah.
What's the cat say? Moo.
The chickens can eat this. They'll like that.
Moo.
A little bit of salt, about 2 teaspoons. Okay. Now I'm gonna grind it up. Still not completely.
Mama. Let me get us some books.
Now, take the other half and just, we won't mulch it that long, that way we'll have some bigger pieces.
It's Mama.
Perfect.
Remember these books actually? These were yours when you were little. You want to go read it? Let's go read. Pop on pop. Pop on pop. Bob the dog. Chicka boom boom.
And that's Verde sauce.